This is how to install the Sonos Ray wall mount. First, let's check what's in the box. 1 spirit level, 2 soundbar screws, 2 soundbar brackets, 2 wall screws, 2 wall anchors, and 1 wall bracket. Here are the tools needed for this installation. Now let me explain how to mark and drill on different wall types. Start by using the tape measure to find the center of your TV. Then, measure below the TV where you want to place the soundbar. Next, align the wall mount using the spirit level. Then, mark the screw holes as preparation for drilling. This is how to drill on different wall types, from drywall, wood stud plyboard, and concrete wall. You may pause the video at any point to better understand how to drill your wall. Now let's proceed with installing the wall mount and the soundbar. Start by securing the wall mount in place with the provided wall screws. Next, attach the speaker brackets at the back of your soundbar. Then, connect the soundbar power cable. Lastly, anchor the soundbar to the wall bracket.